Okay, the canine digestive system is non-ruminant, just like the human digestive system, so we can draw some similarities between the two. Ingestion takes place at the mouth, and the teeth and tongue will break the food down, mix it with saliva, producing the salivary glands. Food then passes down the esophagus by peristaltic motion into the stomach, where further digestion takes place. Food will then pass from the stomach into the small intestine. Again, peristaltic movement, taking the food through, with absorption taking place. Food will then move into the cecum, larger than the human cecum, then into the large intestine before egestion takes place at the anus. We'll go into further detail of these organs in later videos.